Hey guys! Today we're going to talk about n8n versus Make versus Zapier and which one might be the best fit for your automation needs. If you're looking to connect apps, automate workflows, or just save time, understanding the differences between these platforms is key. Let's start with n8n. n8n is an open-source automation tool that's highly flexible and self-hosted, meaning you can run it on your own server or use n8n.cloud. It gives you full control over your workflows and supports advanced logic like loops, conditional statements, and custom code. It's great for developers or anyone who wants deep customization. One of the big advantages of n8n is that you can host it for free and avoid monthly subscription fees, though self-hosting does require some technical knowledge. The main downside is the learning curve. If you're not familiar with automation logic, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Next, we have Make, formerly known as Integromat. Make is very visual and intuitive, using a drag-and-drop interface that makes workflow creation easy. It supports complex workflows with multiple steps and branching logic, and it integrates with a huge number of apps. Make also has features for error handling and scheduling, which gives you more control over your automations. The cons are that while it's easier than n8n for beginners, its pricing can get steep if you need high-volume operations or advanced features. Finally, Zapier is one of the most well-known automation platforms. It's beginner-friendly and fast to set up, with thousands of app integrations ready to go. Zapier is perfect for simple, straightforward automations like sending emails when a form is submitted or posting to social media automatically. The biggest benefits are ease of use and a massive community with templates and support. However, Zapier can be limiting if you need complex logic or self-hosting capabilities, and its higher-tier plans can become expensive for frequent or high-volume tasks. When comparing all three, n8n is the best choice if you want full control, customization, and open-source freedom. Make is ideal if you want a balance between complexity and visual ease, and Zapier is perfect for quick, simple automations without worrying about hosting or infrastructure. That's it for this comparison. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more deep dives into automation tools.